I want to open it.
You want to open it? They sent you a special surprise just for you.
Yay! I want to open it. When can I open it?
All right. So we love The Good and the Beautiful.
I love it.
She loves it. And we've been doing The Good and the Beautiful ever since she was in pre-K. Like, she's done it all the way through. So much so to the point that she is now 7 years old, just turned 7 in October, and she's on level, or she just finished off level 2 in January of The Good and the Beautiful. And so that's pretty advanced. And so I decided to pump the brakes a little bit, or she's gonna be like in 6th grade doing high school work. So I'm like, let's pump the brakes a little and let's do something different. Let's do a different language arts from January until August, and then we'll start up The Good and the Beautiful level 3 in August. Guys, every time I would take out the new language arts, her eyes would just swell up and she would just start to get tearful and unhappy, and she just asked me constantly every single day for The Good and the Beautiful, for her language arts. And I could see she's my child that loves language arts. Now, anytime it was time to do language arts, she was full of joy and she loved doing it. And now to see her joy kind of dissipate, and it broke my mama heart, you know? I'm just like, my kid loved learning and now she doesn't, and what's going on? And so I contacted The Good and the Beautiful, and I told them what was going on, and they decided to send Samaya a little surprise. So, are you excited?
Yes. I've been wondering since it came.
She's been wondering since it came. All right, let's open it up. Before we dig in, Samaya, can you tell everybody what you love so much about The Good and the Beautiful? From your own words, what do you love so much? You have to tell them, not me. I already know what you love about it. Can you tell them?
I love all the poems that we get to sing, and all the activities, and the independence. And I like how I get to like paint and color and all of this stuff. And I like about like the stories sometimes we get to read, and what are those things called where you underline, where you story editing?
Oh, the
editing.
Yes, we edit stories. You like to edit the stories?
Yes.
Okay. I forgot about that. Okay, she never told me that. She's telling you guys that for the first time. So she really knows what she likes, okay? And I want to say that even though I could tell that she was unhappy with the language arts that we were doing before, she never once was like, Mom, I'm not doing this or anything like that. She just lost her spark, you know? So anyways, let's not have her wait any longer. What is that?
A pencil and a notepad.
How cute! Oh my goodness. I didn't know they were sending you all this stuff, Mama.
Okay.
How sweet.
Got it. Joey and the kittens. Oh. The story of 2 kittens.
You love books, don't you?
Depends. I used to have this one.
Are you excited?
Yes. I never got to read it though. Because it was
Okay, well show them. Show them what you got.
this book.
Crooked Creek Ranch.
I used to have it. There was a dull moment you lived on.
You gonna read the whole back of the book?
There's skunks.
There's skunks. What's that?
The Mystery of the Night Explorers. I think I'm wrong.
to?
Francine with Fear and Teaser.
You gonna read the whole back of the book again?
Serious? It's from Mary Adorn.
Yeah. Let me see. Mary Adrian. What's this?
Sean had this one.
What is that?
A whole new thing for level 3. Wait. Then the beautiful level 3.
Is that good in the beautiful level 3?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
Are you excited to like stop doing the new language arts that we've been doing and get back to what you love?
Yes. I think I'm gonna love this one. The poem of the ocean.
You do love poems. That's one
and
of
the
things.
stories.
And the stories, yeah. Poems is one of the things that you said you like most, and now you get a whole book of poems. Are you excited?
Wait, I read book 2 because I finished it, but now I read it just for fun.
Well, oh, you talking? She's saying that she has the level 2 books. She reads them now just for fun, even though she finished them. Now you get to start the level 3 book.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you say? What do you say to them?
Bye.
No. Do you say thank you?
Thank you, Good and Beautiful, for this pack. Thank you for everything, all these books and this pencil thing. Thank you.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited.
All right. Well, that's what we get to do next week.
Next week?
Yeah, we get to start immediately.
Yay.
All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Should everybody get their kids the Good and the Beautiful?
Yes.